What's the matter with you? What? Are you hungry? You are. Where's the mealworm? Bring it here and let me see it eat.
This bowl's bigger than it.
I'll hold it while you give it one. Oh, don't do it again. Hurry when it opens its mouth. You don't want a mealworm? What do you want? Do it up above its head.
Okay.
The neck has to be straightened out. There it goes. Oh, was it too big? It dropped it?
It's right there. Oh, it's too big.
Okay, cut it in half. Yeah, just a little fella. Lay it up so its neck can be straight. Oh.
Oh, almost. It ate it!
Is it gone?
Yeah, look.
What is it? Hi. You're a cute little thing.
Mama.
You're cute. Yes, you are.
Mama.
That'll work. Thank you. Daddy says the worms have to be wet. So we need some more earthworms. Or maybe that'll help, but they have to be little bitty pieces. Let me get all at once in a bag. See if you can now hack it and make sure the water stays on it. Watch out. It took it.
I'm feeding it!
Wait, it needs help. It's on its face.
Oh!
What'd you name it?
Bailey.
Bailey. Daddy says it has to be the wet worms, so either the earthworms or these mealworms wet.
Aww. She's eating?
I think that piece might be too big. Did it get it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now give it a minute because it's already had 3.
Oh, my baby. Hello.
Did it holler all night?
Yes.
Kept you awake. Well, we got a towel to put over its little cage so a cat can't get it, and so maybe it'll stay warm because I think it's cold. It's cold in here. It's like 60 something. You're just a big talker, aren't you?
Mama!
I know, the potatoes growing.
And your onions are growing.
Yep.
Look! It has a hat and a stick. A hat and an arm.
How's the other ones doing? I need to get them in the ground.
I think that's too big. Oh, what's it? That is too big. Get it out.
I had to pull out a piece of hay that it was down in its throat.
Oh my goodness.
It ate it.
Such a good mama.
One in there and it ate it.
Okay, that's enough after that. That's a lot.
Not for a little tiny baby.
Yeah.
Wait, does boats have nose? Oh, look at this.
They have a beak.
Look.
Josie, they have a beak.
You'll have to get tweezers and get it out if it looks like it can't swallow it. Does it look okay?
You okay? Mommy, grab it. Oh, it's hungry.
No, it's not enough.
Yeah, no, it's still hungry.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. You'll have to put it back in there.
Why is it doing that?
'Cause I think it still has a piece in there.
It's okay. They're cold.
Ew, it pooped!
Well, you know, everything has to poop, silly.
Well, that's good at poop.
Be easy. You don't want to let go? We'll just put the whole thing in there then. Oh,
Oh, there.
Maybe.
It pooped!
I'm gonna get off of it.
Oh, it's got a photo of it. There you go. Good baby. You're gonna have to dry it off now. It's really cold.
I know, it's so fluffy.
You okay?
Then you gotta do it.
Not that.
And get these mealworms off the counter. They're next to noodles.
Oh.
It's bigger than your baby.
Look!
I know, it's
Look at this one!
Bring it here.
We
It looks
probably
so
have.
pretty! Does it look so pretty?
It's got some pretty
Watch,
markings.
watch, Mama. It likes on my shoulder. It likes to hide in
There's
my...
cats out here, and if it falls down, they'll try to get it.
Oh, Mama. Oh,
Look this alike.
Gracesyn!
No.
Why do they look this alike? That's so fun.
Bring it here and let me see it again. Aww. Hi, baby. Hi.
We have baby chickens now.
Hi, baby. Look how cute you are. Look how cute.
Mama,
What is this? This is the sun.
When now?
Yeah.
One's gonna be so happy.
She's kicking.
Oh, Gwen's so excited.
We have a kitty lurking, so y'all be careful. You're a cute little baby. Yes, you are.
You are my cute little baby.
I know.
Cute little baby.
They love sitting in the grass.
Gracesyn, look. How's a little bit blue?
Gosie.
Just that's.
So there's 9 of them?
I think 10 or 9
Yeah.
or 8. I don't know.
Is there more than one mama or just one?
One.
Gracesyn, when I was holding it in the
One
chicken
mama.
coop,
I think I saw she had 8 eggs that had dates on them.
Okay,
Gracesyn,
good.
Gracesyn,
Mama, guess what?
when
the
I
mama
was holding
chicken
the
was
baby
pecking
chicken
at
in
this
the chicken coop,
chicken.
it climbed up my
But
shoulder and
it
hid
been
in
pecking
that
on
hole.
all of them. Why?
They're probably thirsty. They need one of those waters in there.
Yeah, guys, go get a.
Get the one off the front porch since y'all aren't using it.
I can't open it.
Oh, we'll open it.
You know how? Okay.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, Mama Kitty's looking.
Oh,
Yep,
the
she's
kitties are
looking. We got to get that hole out there so nothing can climb up to.
The chickens, they fly through it.
Yeah.
I'm like, come on, y'all. Y'all know better.
Oh, Gracesyn!
Do you know who broke it? Do you know who broke the wire?
Who?
The peacock.
Trying to get in there?
Yeah. No, trying to get out.
Oh.